All right, we are at 4904 Majestic, Prince Court. Today is 9/25/25, it's about 93 degrees. We have a bunch of shingles approved for repair due to wind damage. Just here doing a repair attempt on this wind damage shingle right here. Just gonna document it, put in a new shingle, see if anything happens, see if it's a practical repair or not, see if any creasing, granule loss, material transfer, anything like that. Also set up a control area over here. We have no visible damage as far as wind goes or any creasing or granule loss here. Well, some granule loss, but we have that as our control area. All right, we'll get you set up here on the Right. Just going to use a regular flat bar hammer. Going to break the steel of these shingles, take the nails out as gently as we can. Already just right there. There's a little hinge to it. This one too. That one's hinging already just by breaking the seal, lifting it up just enough to get these nails out. Started creating a crease there. Two nails that were pulled through the shingle already. So get those out. Don't see any material transfer there, but we did have some nails pulled through. Just gonna bring this a little closer, show you the two tabs that had little creases going on already. So I was taking the shingle out, taking the two courses of nails out, and here this shingle is hinged and creased right there already. This tab too, it's creased right here and hinged. The matting is all the way creased and cracked. Set back up. I'm just going to install this new shingle. These new shingles. This isn't just a 3-tab shingle. This is current shingle on here is a Certainty Horizon. It's not just a 3-tab. It's not technically an architectural, but it's not just a 3-tab. So current architecturals do not fit, both in length and exposure and overall length. So there's 3 dimensions to this that do not fit with this current shingle that's here. That's problem number 2. Just going to lift up these shingles enough to put my nail straight in there and then strike straight down. I'm not going to bend it anymore. Right here, along with the 2 others there. So now we have 2 more damaged shingles. Shingles in. So like I mentioned, the exposure is not where it's supposed to be, and the overall length is not where it's supposed to be either. So these shingles, not only are these shingles discontinued, new current shingles aren't compatible. They're too long, and the exposure doesn't match either. So now we have the old shingles overlapping here, which causes an issue, and it's too long. But aside from that, before we even worried about the shingle, we had two shingles damaged in the process, just breaking the seal and getting the nails out. And then here, this one creased as a part of lifting it up to nail this new shingle in. So now we have a damaged shingle here and two damaged tabs up here. But I'm going to stop the video here, take some photographs, and then we'll get this sent in. And control area, sorry, forgot to mention. Control area, nothing happened over here. No extra damage to any shingles. No creasing, no granule loss, nothing extra happened over here.